Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Blueprint Hacks. If you're watching this, it means you're ready to start taking your income seriously and not just surviving, but thriving in 2026. Here's the truth. The US and Canadian economies are shifting fast. AI, automation, inflation, and remote work are rewriting the rulebook for how money is made. So in this video, I'll break down 14 proven money-making opportunities that are booming this year, what's working, what's fading, and how you can position yourself to earn even if you're starting from scratch. But hey, quick heads up. This isn't financial advice, it's for learning and inspiration only. Always do your own research before diving in. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit subscribe right now. And it unlocks exclusive shoutouts and insider income hacks every week. Ready? Let's get into it. Opportunity number 1. Freelance skill marketplace. Freelancing isn't just a side hustle anymore. In 2026, it's a full-blown economy. Companies across the US and Canada are cutting full-time roles but hiring remote experts on demand. Everything from designers to AI automation specialists. You can build your own brand on smaller platforms like Contra, TopTal, or Worksome, and specialize in one high-value niche. The most profitable skills right now? AI writing, automation setup, UX design, and content strategy. One freelancer I interviewed made over $150,000 last year just managing AI integrations for small businesses, all from his apartment in Austin. The best part? No inventory, no office, just your skill, your laptop, and your determination. Opportunity number 2, AI consulting and automation services. The second gold mine, AI consulting. This is massive. Here's the deal. Businesses are hearing about AI, but they don't know where to start. That's your in. You don't need to build AI. You just need to know how to use it to save people time or money. For example, you could help small companies automate their customer service with ChatGPT or streamline their social media using tools like Zapier and Make.com. One Canadian entrepreneur I know charges $500 per automation setup, and companies line up for weeks to book him. By 2026, experts predict over 70% of U.S. small businesses will rely on AI automation. That means there's never been a better time to position yourself as the person who helps them do it. 3. Opportunity number 3. Online education and skill coaching. Number 3. Teaching what you know. Americans and Canadians are upskilling faster than ever before. Everyone's learning digital marketing, coding, finance, and AI tools, and they're paying for it. Platforms like Teachable, Kajabi, and Skillshare make it easy to launch a mini course, mentorship program, or even a private coaching session. Take this in. The e-learning market in North America is expected to hit $90 billion by 2026. And that's not just universities. It's you and me. Maybe you teach photography, resume writing, or how to use Canva like a pro. If you can explain something clearly, there's a market waiting for you. 4. Opportunity number 4. Digital communities and memberships. Number 4, digital communities. People are craving connection and guidance, especially online. That's why memberships and private communities are booming. Think Discord groups, Patreon clubs, or private Telegram channels where people pay for access, advice, or exclusive content. One of my favorite examples is a guy in Toronto who runs a $5 per month Lazy Investor Club. He gives weekly stock summaries, and now he's earning over $25,000 a month from membership fees alone. The secret? Focus on value, not volume. Build a loyal audience that trusts you, and your income grows automatically. 5. Opportunity number 5. Cybersecurity services. Number 5, cybersecurity. The more digital our world becomes, the more protection people need. Businesses and freelancers are desperate for affordable cybersecurity audits, data protection tips, and even password management help. You don't need a degree, just training from platforms like Cyberary or Coursera, and you can start offering freelance security services to small businesses. With ransomware and identity theft on the rise, this space is booming. By the end of 2026, North America's cybersecurity industry is expected to surpass $70 billion, and a big slice of that will go to small independent consultants. Opportunity number 6, health and wellness online. Next, health and wellness, but reimagined for a digital world. Fitness coaches, nutritionists, therapists, and even mindfulness instructors are moving online, offering remote sessions, live classes, or personalized wellness plans. Apps like BetterHelp, MyFitnessPal, and Calm have already proven the demand is massive. You can carve out a micro niche, like wellness for remote workers or stress detox for parents. In 2026, it's not just about health, it's about convenience, connection, and calm from home. Opportunity number 7, green energy and home efficiency. Number 7, green energy solutions. The US and Canada are investing heavily in sustainable housing and energy efficiency. Solar setup consulting, smart thermostats, and eco-friendly retrofits are creating new business categories overnight. Even if you're not a technician, you can make money by connecting homeowners with installers, creating review blogs, or consulting on tax rebate programs. Sustainability isn't just good for the planet, it's a trillion-dollar business opportunity. Number 8, micro-investing. Apps like Public, Robinhood, and Wealthsimple are allowing Americans and Canadians to invest $5 or $10 at a time in stocks, ETFs, or even fractional real estate. This has created content creators who teach investment literacy and earn affiliate income while helping others grow. In 2026, tokenized assets, like small shares in buildings or art, are becoming mainstream. So whether you're an investor or educator, this space is full of opportunity. 9. Number 9, remote work infrastructure. Companies are hiring globally but struggling with management, productivity, and tech setup. You can create guides, courses, or consulting services that help them adapt. Maybe you help businesses build remote onboarding systems or even teach digital time management. The remote-first wave isn't slowing down, it's standardizing. Opportunity number 10, home-based services. Next, home-based service businesses. From pet sitting to smart home setup, people are paying for convenience. And thanks to platforms like Thumbtack and TaskRabbit, you can get started instantly. Even part-time, these services can bring in $1,000 to $3,000 monthly, with zero office space needed. Let's wrap up the final 4. Number 11, niche e-commerce launch small, profitable Shopify or Etsy stores targeting hobbies and home improvement niches. Number 12, local logistics, last-mile delivery, especially in rural areas, is exploding. Start small, grow fast. Number 13, senior care tech with North America. Aging apps and services helping seniors stay connected are booming. Number 14, digital subscriptions. Mini memberships under $5 per month, like lazy money hacks or AI business ideas, bring stable, recurring income. So there you have it, 14 proven money-making opportunities shaping the US and Canadian economies in 2026. The future belongs to creators, freelancers, and innovators, not just employees. If you learned something new, tap like, drop a money emoji in the comments, and hit subscribe right now. And you'll get weekly blueprints to grow your income from anywhere. I'm your host from Money Blueprint Hacks, and this year, we're not chasing money, we're building it. See you in the next video.